Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I will explain to you how to add or remove the Tab Search button in Microsoft Edge. Tab Search is a quick way to find any recently opened or closed tab in Edge windows, which is great when you have many tabs and need the tab you just opened. And before we move to the settings, when working or browsing with many tabs, finding the right tab wastes time. Tab searching thus saves time by scanning all open Edge windows and works with vertical tabs and private windows separately, allowing you to move to tabs or reopen them without having to search between dozens of tabs. There are two ways to open the search for tabs. First, click on the small arrow icon at the top left of the browser, and from the menu, click on Search Tabs. Tab Search scans all open Edge windows, so you can find a tab even if it's not in your current window. For example, if you want to search for a tab, type its name and it will display it directly to you once you click on it. And the second way to open the Tab Search is to press the Ctrl+Shift+A keys and you will directly open the Tab Search. Now that we know what the Tab Search button is in Microsoft Edge, we will learn how to add it if it is not added, or how to remove it if you do not need it. Click on the Settings and More menu. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of Edge, and from the menu, click on Settings. And in the Settings sidebar, click on the Appearance section. And on the right side, under Other Appearance Settings, scroll down and click on the tabs. Within the Tab settings, you will find the option to show Tab Actions menu. Turn it off to remove it or activate it to enable it again. Therefore, this key is the main control element that shows or hides the Tab Search button. Activating it gives you the Quick Access button. Turning it off cleans up the tab bar if you don't use it. That's it. Adding or removing Tab Search button in Edge is done with just a few clicks and can save you time when you have multiple tabs open. It's a simple change that makes tab management faster and more organized. If you liked this video, click like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.